50 million years ago, a small swamp dweller began a journey that would reshape the earth. Through countless ages, its face began to change, its nose lengthening, seeking new ways to feed and survive. A trunk was born, not yet mighty, but enough to pluck leaves and reeds from riverbanks.
Tusks became tools, digging, stripping bark, shaping the land itself.
The trunk grew powerful, an organ of touch, sound, and survival.
Strength was not just in size, but in care. The herd became family, and survival became shared.
The elephant's form was nearly complete, towering, intelligent, reshaping its world with every move.
And so the elephant emerged, largest of land animals, built to endure heat, distance, and time.
They spread across continents, Africa, Asia, thriving wherever land could carry their weight. The world's first elephant, born from change, shaped by strength, eternal in its memory and might.